Ever forgotten a Wi-Fi password? Don't worry, your Windows PC remembers every single one. Let me show you how to find them all in just 3 steps. Step 1. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Hit the Start button, type CMD, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. Step 2. Type netsh wlan show profile, and press Enter. You'll instantly see every Wi-Fi network your PC has ever connected to. Step 3. Now type netsh wlan export profile folder equals C \key equals clear, and hit Enter. Open any exported file. Scroll to Key Material, and boom, there's your password. That's it. No apps, no downloads, just a simple command. If this helped you out, smash that like button and follow for more Windows tips every week.